Yes.
Hi Aki, this is Anna. I'm going to be your teacher today from the Skype English School. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I am very well, thank you. Today what we're going to look at for your 15-minute trial English lesson is how to introduce ourselves. What we're going to do, I'm going to introduce myself and then I'm going to help you to introduce yourself. But don't worry, I'm going to break it down into small steps for you so that we can actually work on this together. So don't worry if you do make any mistakes, I'm here to help you.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
My name is Anna. I'm from England originally, but now I live in Canada. I am a teacher and I have been teaching for 10 years. In my spare time, I really like to travel. My next trip is going to be to New York City so that I can visit the Statue of Liberty. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to do the same. Can you remember what the first thing was that I did?
Name.
Okay,
My name is Aki Ito. And I don't know.
okay. And after that, I told you where I am from.
Yes. I'm from Nagoya. I'm from Nagoya, Japan.
Very good.
And teacher. I work photo studio.
Okay, so I work at a photo studio.
I work at a photo studio.
Very good. Do you remember what came after where I work?
No.
After talking about where I work, I talked about what I like to do in my free time for my hobbies.
Oh, hobby. Okay. My hobby is play sports.
Okay, so my hobbies are to play sports.
My hobbies are to play sports and play violin.
My hobbies are to play sports and to play the violin.
My hobbies are to play sports and to play the violin.
Very good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to bring it all together
Okay.
and have it as one introduction. Do you think you can do that?
I'll try.
Very good.
So, my name is Aki Ito. I'm from Nagoya, Japan, and I work at a photo studio. And my hobbies are to play sports and to play the violin.
That was very, very good. Now I feel like I know you a little bit better.